Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, trading123.net. Here's the trades of the day on Tuesday, March 14th, 2017. Here we're showing our new NinjaTrader 8 trailing stop indicator. We posted this first thing in the morning on this particular day to show you how the software works. If you're looking for the one and only indicator that'll help you catch these trend changes, this is the one. And you go to our web page at trading123.net and click on the NinjaTrader 8 indicator link, and you'll find it under the Trading 123 trailing stops. And it comes with our advanced premium Trading 123 wrinkle bars that are awesome and basically have improved my trading, probably 30% more profits using wrinkle bars. So if you're stuck in 1999 or 2009 and using range bars or tick charts, you need to update your system and get with it. We just had somebody, actually a couple traders, that were doing that, and they switched over to the wrinkle bars and they just love them. They work, and they work very good. So let's look at today's trades. So this is how I post to Twitter each day. I basically posted this chart, and I said, with an oversupply of oil, looks like the trend is down. So that was the news of the day, oversupply of oil. Anytime that happens, nobody's going to pay big bucks for oil. And CL new lows, as I said, the trend is down. So you're in the money. So we run the AutoTrader. We catch a wave up here pre-market, get some profits, and then a wave down, two-wave move, and we're doing our normal $320, $30 profit goal to start the day, and we hit it right off the bat. So off to a great start. Software does all the work. You just have to turn it on, enable it, set how much profit you want to make, and it's off and running. So let's look at the next trade. And then I posted here CL to start the day, catch a reversal up and down, and our profit goal is hit. So here's a trade. After we hit our profit goal, we reset it. We unenable this AutoTrader, start it up again, and basically it catches, shortly after that last trade, it catches another trade, and then a trade up, trade down, trade up, trade down, another $320 profit. So less than an hour's work, we're up $650 trading 2 contracts of crude oil. Now people always ask me, well, why don't you just let the AutoTrader run all day long? Well, it has to do with market timing and patterns. So yeah, I could have let this run and had a $500 profit goal, but I find I'm more successful in hitting profit goals of 300 to 400 the first hour than just letting the AutoTrader run continuously for hours. Number one, you'll have more trades. You probably have a couple stops. And we follow our market timing, so we know when the reversals are going to happen, so we avoid the choppiness and find more successful trades that move up and down rather quickly, like this one did. So usually our goal each day is about $500 profit to 1,000 trading 2 contracts of CL. So we give it a rest and we go on to the NQ. And here we got the NQ, nice reversal, bank some profits, $275. Software does all the work, nice wrinkle bars, trending nice, no choppiness, nice price action, and we're in the money. So the software continues, nice wave down, nice wave up, and we hit our profit goal, $385. I think it was 400, but with some slippage, it got us out a little early, and we hit our profit goal. That's all that matters. We're not worried about a lousy $10 or $15. We made our profit, and we move on to the next trade. And in trading, you will have losers. Here we got involved in a nice leg down on crude oil, and then after the big wave down, it went into chop mode, and we got chopped out, gave back our profits. Our loss goal for the day is 14 ticks, so minus 280 on this trade here on crude oil. But no worries, we bounce back because we know what the market's going to do next based on market timing and patterns. So here's the next trade on crude oil. We had a down move, and then it reversed sharply, and we upped our profit goal because going into the 11 to 12 o'clock time frame, usually the ranges are bigger. So instead of settling for $320, we go for $500. Now remember, not one trade's going to make you rich. You're like a baseball player. You hit singles and doubles all day long, and then maybe a triple and maybe a home run. But singles and doubles, $200-300 profit work, and then you hit a $500 profit goal. That's a nice, I call that a triple. Home run would be something over 1,000. So some news hits the market, and CL takes off out of its dull choppiness trading. And anytime news hits the market and it involves crude oil and production cuts or world events overseas, which this event said the Saudis were going to cut production, so the oversupply wasn't there, and we get a nice three-wave move, quick $500, we bank it, and we made our money for the day. But a lot of it is involved in timing, knowing when to trade and not to trade. Because right after this news absorbed in the market went stale. By 12 o'clock, the volume was dripping like a faucet. No movement at all. So you want to trade that, you'll lose money. And then NQ we really weren't paying too much attention to, but it also went up on the news. And after hitting the highs, we started the AutoTrader as it was peaking. Right into the noon hour, we knew it'd have a pullback, and it did, and we banked $330 pretty quickly. And one more trade on the crude oil, since it was still active based on the news. We reset the strategy, lowered our profit goal. Just want to get some profit on the next wave up. Had a little short here, but it wasn't really weak, so we got stopped. Trade then went long. Hit our first profit goal. And then a trend change, and it got short, exited along, and hit our max gain of $340. Like I said, we're hitting singles and doubles, $200-300 a couple times a day, and one $500 trade. You can't beat that. Make $1,000 to $1,500 a day trading with the AutoTrader on 2 contracts of the CL. So this is how the posts look on Twitter. And that was our end of the day. Market went stale after that, which it usually does going into noon. And we took our profits and banked them and come back the next day and do it again. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck with your trading. For more information, visit trading123.net and click on the AutoTrader link.